A recent study by American researchers has just highlighted a powerful secret for our physical well-being: the massive slimming benefits of real yogurt. It turns out that yogurt proteins are a metabolic game-changer. They help us feel full more easily, making it natural to snack less. But here's the science because these proteins take longer to digest. Our bodies actually burn more energy just to process them compared to almost any other food. We aren't just eating, we're stoking our metabolic fire. We walk down the dairy aisle and see healthy, probiotic, and creamy labels everywhere. But most of what we see isn't fuel, it's a sugar trap disguised as wellness. Today, we're looking at the hard science. We're uncovering why real, natural yogurt is a metabolic powerhouse that most of us are using the wrong way. Science shows that proteins in yogurt are a metabolic hack. Unlike simple carbs, these proteins take longer for our bodies to break down, meaning we burn more energy just by eating them. A 2014 study highlighted that this high thermal effect keeps us full and stops the mid-morning snack habit. We aren't just eating, we're stoking our metabolic fire. This isn't just theory, it's documented. A massive 20-year study by Harvard researchers found that increasing yogurt intake is one of the most effective ways to prevent age-related weight gain. It's a literal investment in our future physical well-being. For those of us who struggle with dairy, yogurt is the safe haven. The live lactic acid bacteria have already started the work for us, pre-digesting the lactose. This isn't just about comfort, it's about optimizing our gut microbiome to absorb more nutrients from every other meal we eat. It's the ultimate internal reset button. It goes beyond bones. While the calcium and phosphorus create bone armor to prevent osteoporosis, the real magic is in the magnesium and healthy fatty acids. New research suggests these specific nutrients create a metabolic shield against type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. We're literally eating to protect our future heart health. So, how do we win? We look for two things on the label: milk and live cultures. If it says dairy specialty or has added sugar, we put it back. Join us at Active Powerful Vitality as we choose real fuel over marketing. What's your favorite way to eat plain yogurt? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, or follow this video if it helped you today. Stay active, stay powerful, keep your vitality.